Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to create a YouTube thumbnail under 5 minutes. So I'm going to show you an example of what a YouTube channel looks like if your videos don't have thumbnails. So this is my big sister's YouTube channel, and as you can see, her videos do not have thumbnail. So this is a shout out to her anyways. Please subscribe to her channel. So this is my own channel. Let me show you. So as you can see, as I'm scrolling, you will see that my own videos have thumbnails. So this video is going to be more like a walkthrough on how to design your own thumbnail under 5 minutes, guys. It's not going to take too much time, okay, so that your video should be looking so beautiful and attractive. So the first app we'll be needing is your Google Chrome, and when you get to Google Chrome, you search for remote.bg, remove background, because you're going to upload a picture you took that you'll be using for your thumbnail design. Okay, so I already have a picture on my gallery. I'll simply upload my image. So go to your gallery, choose any picture at all you want to use, and it will do the magic for you. As you can see, the background of this picture has been removed successfully. So we'll go to our photo gallery to check if we'll find this PNG picture, and yeah, it's there. So next up, we have to go to our Google Chrome and search canva.com. If you have the app, that's okay. For me, I just go through their website, and here you are seeing the option for YouTube thumbnail, or you can simply search at the search bar for YouTube thumbnail. So let's choose a free template we would work with. So yeah, we'll pick this one on purple that says 1 million views. Okay, so all you have to do is click on that lady's picture and select replace, then go to your file and choose that png photo picture you removed the background. So select it. It's loading. And once your picture is ready, all you have to do is just do some plus or minus to it, flip it, put it in the position you want it to be facing, and all of that. Color grade it, add some filters if the picture is not bright enough for what you want, then edit the text that is there already. So as you can see, what I'm doing, I'm trying to edit the text that is already on this thumbnail. So you can also adjust the words you've put up there, your write-up. Just play around with it and see what works for you. If the size of the text is okay for you, if it's not okay, adjust it and get the result you are looking for. So next up, like I said, is to adjust your picture. If you feel like it's not bright enough, it's not looking so sharp, you can just adjust that through these settings. I had to speed it up here a little bit so you can fit into the 5 minutes I promise. So pick the background color that works for you, and I also had to change the picture because the first one wasn't looking like it for me, so I had to just simply change it. So once your thumbnail have downloaded, check your file whether you can find it there, and once you see it on your file, please try and change the title, because whenever you download these thumbnails, it comes with the name Canva gave it, as you can see here, purple something. So just change the name or the title to the title of the video you are uploading, to the title that matches the whatever the tag that you gave to your thumbnail. Okay, so I hope you found this video very helpful. Leave me a comment, share,